bridging the gap between technical potentials and elite performance. Hi, my name is Justice Ekron. Over the past decade, I've had the opportunity to manage technical operations in some of the most complex environments imaginable. From the engine rooms of elite vessels to the system driving 7-star luxury hotels. In my experience as an engineer, fleet and logistics management officer, I found out the differences between a standard technician and elite one isn't just talent. It is the quality of the roadmap they follow. I have spent my career gathering hard-won data and technical insight. Now, I would like to share that knowledge. I'm currently outlining beginners' blueprints designed for those ready to enter into maritime engineering, high-end hotel maintenance, fleet and logistics management. This is a practical real-world guide. Focus on the actual data required to get hired and succeed in these high-stakes roles. If this roadmap would be a valuable asset to your career, or for someone you are currently mentoring, I would love to hear from you. Please comment tag below, and I would make sure you are among the first to see it as I finalize the details. Ciao, and thank you for having me.